Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dialpad for CRM calls, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Dialpad website. Click on the sign up button on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password for your account. Click the continue button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email and click the link to verify your account. Return to the Dialpad website to log in. Input your email and password in the login fields. Click Login to access your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM integration section. Choose the CRM you want to connect with Dialpad. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Dialpad and your CRM. Fill out any additional information required during the setup. Click Save or Connect to finalize the integration. You can now start making calls using Dialpad with your CRM linked. Explore the features available for calling within your CRM dashboard. Begin your first call and check the integration to ensure everything is working seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.